Didn't Martha Washington burn all of her letters? Kinda. Martha Washington did during her last illness. We have an account from Jared Sparks, who's one of the first people to try to publish all of George Washington's letters, where two of Martha Washington's granddaughters informed him that on her deathbed, during her last illness, she requested that all of her papers with George Washington be burned, which is a huge loss to history, but it's not unusual. Thomas Jefferson also burned all of his correspondence with his wife. I think the thinking behind it was these people who were big public figures in the 1800s, they knew that their papers were going to be important to people and that people would want to read them. And for a side of their life that was so deeply personal and private, like letters between a husband and wife, they wanted to keep them for themselves. So Martha took that route, decided to keep those papers private. Now, the quote that I have up here says that 2 letters seemed to escape by accident that were found in a drawer or in a desk. But we are actually able to publish 4 letters between George and Martha Washington. One of them is quite short. It's a brief little note. But I think it's interesting that in all of the surviving correspondence, not very much, they refer to one another as my dearest or my love. So what did we publish if she burned all of her letters with George Washington? She wrote other people too.